Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to create some adorable chick nests with just a few supplies. We are actually using a napkin. This is the most adorable napkin ever. Some wood slices, a little bit of paint, and Mod Podge. You guys, these are adorable. Oh, and you actually need to have a bird's nest to make a chick's nest. So we had these wood slices and they had holes in them. To cover the holes, since I didn't want them in there, I actually just filled them with a little bit of hot glue and then sanded it so it was level again with the wood slice. Once that was all filled in, I simply painted a layer of white paint on the wood slice. I prefer to, when I'm using napkins, to always put a layer of white paint because it really makes your designs on your napkins really pop. So you can see here that I am taking a little paintbrush and I'm just dipping it in water and outlining where the design is that I want. This is going to help it tear really easy, and it's just, you're going to be able to adhere it to your wood piece just like I am right here, and you're not going to be able to see any of the edges at all. So again, taking a little bit of Mod Podge, go ahead and adhere it to your wood piece. Once your Mod Podge is dry, you can take an iron and some parchment paper and iron out any bubbles or creases. Now it's time to decorate the little baskets. These baskets actually came from Walmart in their floral section. And then I had these little foam eggs that we got from Dollar Tree, I believe. I know you can find some very similar things in several places. We had a little bit of moss and we were putting that into the bottom of our little bird's nest, and then we're nestling our wooden piece in kind of at an angle, and then you're going to have a little bit of room to put these foam eggs. Having the entire foam egg there was really bulky for me, so I actually just took some scissors and cut them in half. This made them lay a lot easier and it just didn't look so bulky. Now, if you've followed me for any period of time, you know I love bows, and so I'm just creating a really simple bow, just like you're tying your shoe. We are making a small one, and we're going to put it in the little spot in the nest that kind of looks a little bit empty. When I tell you I am obsessed with this piece, I truly mean it. This was so adorable, and these napkins are so much fun. There are so many things that you can do with napkins, and so I encourage you to come on over and join my napkin club. If you like this DIY and like all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org and make sure you're following me on social media.